Low flying pigeons, look. I think that music's scaring them away, to be honest. I think it's scaring me away and all. Not that fucking good. I don't think I'll get copyrighted on this because I think it's. Oh, it's not English, whatever it is. It's not English, so I doubt I'll get copyrighted. You never know. I'll do checks before we upload anyway. Still don't know it's coming from. Sounds like I'm in fucking Estonia or somewhere. You know what I mean? I still don't know what it is. This is a source of the noise pollution. I don't know what the hell is playing. Jesus, it gets worse. It's not just playing it, it's singing it.